Hello, I'm gonna try to do a video on exercise we have, and just to remember it, and the idea is to play it if I want to, and also have it as material so you can pause and try to continue with the calculation or do it at the same time, and hopefully get the same results. And I'm pretty sure now this is gonna be correct because by the way, no, I'm gonna take it later. Okay, so anyway, so what we have here is a exercise 3, which find the total wind load acting on the blah, blah, blah. You see here, so we have total wind of 1.5 kilonewtons per square meter, and flood is 4, and the L is 6. Actually, I'm going to change the L from 6 to 7 just to get slightly different numbers, because I think it's dangerous when you remember the numbers and you remember when you're on the right path. So even though it just makes a very slight difference, just to double check, just change numbers. And I also will talk about that later in the end, showing a good way to do that, to change numbers while being 100% sure that you are actually doing the correct calculations still, or changing any variables. Okay. So with that, so we have the Z wind, which is this direction, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 L's. So the L being 7, so that would be 14 times 2, that would be 28, times the height, which is 4 times 4 times 1.5. That would be 28.1.5, 4. That would be 168 kilonewtons. We'll be going with that, or actually it's never mind. And then on this one, so L would be 7 again, so it would be 14 times 1.5, which is the thing, times 4 the height again, and that would be obviously the half, so it would be 84. And okay, so this is kilonewton, and so in order to okay, so how you should look at it, it should be that you do this as standard calculation with this. So here is the half. Here's where the 168 would be, and so it's. So it's 7, 7, 7. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 7. So yeah, it was like that. Okay, so it comes here, right? And there's a cantilever thing going here. So 168. So it's like 2 here, 1 here. So you can do the thing, but basically 2/3 would go to this one, 1/3 will go over there. So let's do 168 divided by 3. So that would be 56 here, 112 there. So here would be the reactions of this, and here, and so here we put in 168 from here before, and we do. You can do this color, even though it's bad contrast. So the N1 would be 56, and the N2 is 112, and this is finished over this side. Well, to do the X wind, that's a bit different though. So that's the way you do that, is you take the length. Let's see. You take the 84 force, so 84 times this distance, which would be 7, minus N2 times this distance. So this distance would be 21, since it's 7 times 3. And then you find the reaction in N2, and N2 is the same as N1. And so you have this calculation. So 84 times 7 is 588 minus. So take that divided by 21, right? So the find the N2 is equal to 28, and N1 is equal to N2. So you have 28 here, 28 here. And then if you see the Here's the only bracing, so this will take all of the like that. Total win would be 84, yeah. So with that, it's pretty easy. So with that, I'm trying to do this and you see how we did. Okay, so this was 4. So let's compare the answers. Okay, let's do. Okay, I'm gonna do. Snipping tool is a good thing, by the way. So let's do this. 84, 28, 28, 56, and 12, and 68. Yee-hoo! And this is a really good method I found if you have given formulas and want to double check again what I said before about you want to change some parameters, and I'm probably gonna do that for all, if you try to memorize, so you can just practice 5 times. We just have different heights, and then you learn how it changes and stuff like that. So this would be a good way if you also, like me, find that you have problems that you remember the numbers rather than actually remembering the steps. So yep, that's it.